Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about AAA batteries. A couple weeks ago I talked about AA's, well I'm going to talk to you about AAA batteries. Because not everything takes AA batteries. I have a bunch of things around here that take AAA batteries. My little flashlights that I talk about all the time from Harbor Freight, those little blue LED ones, AAA batteries. But not only, using it with, straighten out here, get my tongue untied. With the grandkids around, they like playing with the flashlights. And it gets expensive, replacing the thing when they're running around all day with a flashlight on. It gets expensive replacing it with those. So I also want to talk about, hey, rechargeable ones. I got 24 rechargeable ones that will take care of 8 of the lights in a change out at a time. But I only have 4 grandkids, so they only play with 4 lights at a time. But it keeps all the flashlights and other devices that take AAA batteries fully charged, with full charged batteries ready to go in at a reduced cost. All right, so check it out for yourself. I got these rechargeable ones online at Amazon. Of course, I get these over at Costco because the Kirkland brand is made by Duracell. However, I've become a little, enlightened, shall I say. Made in China. So Duracell's getting their batteries made in China. So, and at the price of these, I got these. Granted, this is 48 versus 24, but when these are dead, they're dead. When these are dead, I put them in the charger, recharge them, and I'm off going again. And I can recharge them hundreds of times. So, check out what works best for you in your situation when it comes to AAA batteries. Alright, and before I take off, I'm going to put a link up here that I think you'll be interested in. I'm going to put a playlist down here for some prepping stuff that you should be interested in, another video over here, and a link to my gardening channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, up here. Take care.